I love this cookie because it's so fragrant and aromatic. Very soft cookie. You can fill it with dates, leave it plain, enjoy it with your cup of tea or coffee. I love this cookie because it comes together so fast. Literally dump all the dry ingredients together, add the wet, shape, bake, and you've got an amazing cookie. You're gonna start with the flour. 325 grams of flour, almost 2.5 cups, 2 tablespoons of instant dry milk, just like this one. The cookie will smell great as soon as it bakes. It's gonna have some nigella seeds, 1 tablespoon. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon anise seeds, 1 tablespoon anise powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder. You're gonna add mahlab spice, and this is amazing in this cookie. 1 teaspoon. To me, this cookie is everything about the Mediterranean, and the mahlab will add that special touch. We're gonna add half a cup of super fine sugar. I added the sugar on top of the flour, but you can mix it in with the eggs and oil. You're gonna need 2 eggs, half a cup of oil. I mixed vegetable oil and olive oil. You can do one or the other, it doesn't matter. You're gonna add a touch of rose water, a touch of orange blossom water for extra flavor. I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients very well and then add the wet ingredients on top of them. Mix just until combined. And like I said, this cookie is so fragrant, but it's a soft cookie. If you love a crunchy cookie, I have the perfect recipe on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. When the dough comes together, you're gonna shape them any way you want. My favorite way to do it is like small donuts. I'm gonna show you how to make them right now. And the absolute perfect filling for this cookie is some date paste. So plain or filled, it's gonna be amazing anyways. Your preference, it doesn't matter. If you want a great date paste, you can find it in any Middle Eastern store. And you're not gonna add anything to the date paste except for a touch of olive oil. Shape it into strings and fill it inside the cookie. I'm gonna show you a couple and then I'm gonna make the whole thing. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. You want it to develop a little bit of a color. And I want to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. The ones filled with dates are so amazing. I do some without because my husband is not a big fan of dates. But really, try them. Let me know what you think. Enjoy them with your next cup of tea. And let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!